Hello there, fellow scratchers. Do you like Sonic the Hedgehog? I do like him a lot. In fact, today it's gonna be a project more or less like if you have watched the CoolFX video. It's a mix of CoolFX with Sonic the Hedgehog. So let's get scratching with our 3 original words. The snow word just got out of the winter in the Arctic. Yeah. Good thing he was wearing that. The future word, the golden one, from the very future, from the year 2939. Yeah, very future with a shield which can grow and reheal with laser secretly. And the present word, which is not in the Arctic or it's not from the future. It's just from now. Anyways, we're not gonna need these costumes. We're gonna use these ones. Don't worry, you can just copy these costumes from this tutorial. Sonic Dots. That's CoolFX. Remember that. Okay? Don't worry, I'm not gonna take them off. We're gonna need 2 green flag clicks. I have good costumes. Like the music one. Oops. I didn't mean Sprite 2. Music 3 would be better. Come on, Music 3. Finally, we got it.
It began.
Good. Now we're just gonna keep this one. And hide also. This time I don't want this sound to be as loud or as, but I want it to be as long as possible.
A quiet screen.
This time,
It
I really like this sound.
It began with a click on a quiet screen. Just me and my camera's gleam. The world said. It began with a click on a quiet screen.
But let's make it a little bit softer.
It began with a click. It began with a click on a quiet. It began with a click on a quiet screen. Just me and my camera's gleam. The world said code something fun.
So let's code something fun today. So we're gonna need a forever, and wait 1 second, and a set, not color effect. We're not gonna use color effect for today, but the whirl effect. What is the whirl effect? Yeah, it looks like he would turn into a ball and then change it by minus this time. Minus 10. Let's see.
It began with a click on a quiet screen. Just
good for now. Now we're gonna add more things. Another wait 1 second block. And yes, there's gonna be a tutorial for this video in a couple of time, but for now, nah, not yet. Change pixelate effect by 25 then, and then change it by, guess what? And this time we're gonna do with again pixelate effect, but with minus 25 this time. Let's see how it turned out.
It began with a click on a quiet screen. It began with a click on a quiet screen, just me and my camera screen. The world said code.
Do. Good. And clear graphic effects. And then when it starts.
It began with.
So it's fresh. Now, let's continue with this project. We're gonna need the fisheye effect. Yeah, looks like he's turning into a very big ball. But don't worry, he's not gonna start like that for today. Oh no, he's
It began
not.
with a click on a
Good.
quiet screen, just me.
Great. It's doing perfectly. So, let's continue. And this is it
It
for today.
began with a click on a quiet screen, just
This
me
is it
and
for
my
today for
camera
this
screen.
short
The
tutorial.
world said code something
There's
fun
gonna
today, but I
playlist,
chose to
but
put a cat
still,
head on my face anyway.
playlist
Now
already
pixels
exists.
align like
It's
fate in the
because
skies. My ears
you
are
have-
coordinates, I can
you
see
haven't
it in
even
my
been
eyes. A silent
that
whisper from the CPU.
that
You
they
were
hear
never
that
human, you were
that
scratch
playlist
cat
somewhere
too.
written
Lift
down.
your head,
But
brave
before you
folder of
leave,
light.
make sure to
The
watch all
webcam
the
watches through.
projects
It
set thumbnail,
began with a
remember that?
click on a quiet screen, just me and my camera screen.
And share it.
The world said code something fun today, but I chose to put